What's up, everybody? I'm Doug the Storyteller. Thanks for dropping by Storyteller Studios East. Today, what I want to do is go and download Reaper and get it installed and start learning Reaper. I've been using Studio One for years and I've dabbled a little bit with Logic, but I've stuck mainly with Studio One, and I thought this would be a good time to give Reaper a try. Looks like they just recently had a new version come out on July 23rd. So what I'm going to do is download it, get it installed, and let's just learn Reaper together. I am running a version of Catalina. According to this, it is notarized and uses hardened runtime, which may reduce compatibility of certain plugins. Oh no, Doug uses a lot of plugins. Let's go ahead and give it a shot though. Let's go ahead and download. And wow, that was crazy quick to get that downloaded. All right. Well, let's just go ahead and open this beast up. So there we go. Let's go ahead and agree. And we'll get it loaded up. That was pretty quick. Drag that over into applications. I'm not going to use the remote 64. I'm just going to go with straight Reaper install. So from what I read, I don't think I really need the remote 64, not at least not right now. Okay, so we're downloaded, installed, and I've dropped Reaper into my dock down here right beside my Studio One 4. I have not upgraded to 5 yet. One of the reasons I am trying Reaper out. And then I also have Logic. Again, I don't really use Logic for a lot, but I do have it. Studio One is my main DAW, but that may change with Reaper. We're going to see. So let's fire Reaper up for the first time and see what happens. Yes, please. That looks cool. Oh, okay. There we go. Yes, let's select a device driver now. Okay, so it looks like it is just that simple. I'm going to hit apply. Why would you access my microphone? No, don't access my microphone. And okay. I do believe I successfully downloaded and installed Reaper. I'm going to do a little bit of reading, find out what's what, make sure I got this set up correct, and we'll dive into something next episode. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you have any comments you'd like to share with me about Reaper, about your experiences with it, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace out, everybody. Take care of yourselves. Be kind to each other.